Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube video channel of Engineering Graphics and Design subject. Myself Aarti Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In previous video lecture, we have covered what is engineering graphics, why we are learning this subject, and an overview of the subject. In this session, we are going to start the first chapter of Engineering Graphics and Design subject, which is Introduction. Topic which we are going to learn is basic drawing instruments and its applications. Here, different drawing instruments are given which are used in engineering graphics and design subject, like pencils, eraser, scale, protector, roller scale, rounder or compass, circle master, set square, French curves, drawing board and clips. Now let us discuss its applications. First instrument is pencil. Pencils are basically used to draw the accurate and appearance drawing that is depend on the quality of the pencil used. Here you can see different grades of the pencils like soft grade pencils, hard grade pencils and medium grade pencils. Soft grade pencils are B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, etc. Here B indicate blackness of the pencil lid. When B grade of the pencil is increased, then the blackness of the pencil lid is also increased. So, soft grade pencils are used to draw thicker lines or dark shade lines in the drawing. Now, hard grade pencils are H, 2H, 3H, 4H, 5H, etc. Here, H indicate hardness of the pencil lid. When H grade of the pencil is increased, then the hardness of the pencil lid is also increased. So, hard grade pencils are used to draw thinner lines or light lines in the drawing. Next, medium grade pencil. The combination of H and B grade pencil is known as medium grade pencil, which is indicated by HB grade. In drawing, we are mostly used H or HB grade pencil for thick line and 2B grade pencil for thin line. Instead of wooden pencil, you can use push pencil also. Lids for these pencils are available in different grade. Next is eraser. Eraser is widely used to erase error in the drawing. Erasers are available in different shape, size and color. But make sure that eraser does not spoil the surface of the drawing paper. Next is scale. Scale is used to draw a line for specific linear length or to take linear measurement. Here you can see that I have measured the length of the line having length 109 mm. Next instrument is protractor. Protractor is flat and semicircular in shape. Its circumference edges is graduated to 1 degree divisions and is numbered at every 10 degree interval and is readable from both ends. The protractor is used to draw or measure the angles. For example, if you want to measure this angle, then set your protractor as shown in the figure and measure the angle. Here 40 degree angle measured in anti-clockwise manner. You can also measure the angle in clockwise manner. Next instrument is roller scale. It has roller in it for smooth movement. It is used to draw vertical, horizontal or inclined parallel lines. For example, if you want to draw a line parallel to this given line and it is 50 mm away from this given line, then set your roller scale on this line and roll the roller scale up to distance of 50 mm and draw a line. Next instrument is compass, or we can also say rounder. Compass or rounder is used to draw circle or arc of circle of a specific radius. Large compass, bow compass and dot compass are used to draw large size circles, medium size circles and small size circles. Next instrument is circle master. It is a thin flat piece of plastic with different size of circles cut in it. So it is used to speed up the drawing work. It is one kind of template. For example, if you want to draw a circle having radius 15 mm or we can say that diameter 30 mm, then select the circle, set the pencil inside the circle and draw a circle. Next instrument is set square. Set square are triangular in shape. Generally, two forms of set square are used. One is 30, 60 and 90 degree and another is 45, 45 and 90 degree. You can see here by using combination of set square we can draw different angles lines in multiple of 15 degree. Next instrument is French curves. French curves are irregular in nature. It can be used to draw free-form curves which cannot be drawn with the help of the compass. The curves like ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, involute, spiral or the locus of the moving point in the space can be drawn accurately with the help of the French curves. Now, last instrument is drawing board and clips. Drawing board is rectangular in shape. The surface of the drawing board should be smooth because it is used to hold the drawing sheet. Size of the drawing sheet should be smaller than the size of the drawing board. Now, clips are used to hold the drawing sheet on the drawing board. If you are using sketchbook for drawing, then drawing board and clips are not required. So, this is the end of this video lecture. I hope you all enjoy. See you soon in next video lecture. Thank you.